Kia, Dave from Outdoorsman Dave. I'm in my backyard in the Lord of the Rings country of beautiful New Zealand. Now today's going to be a little bit different. If you've been following my Instagram, that's outdoorsman_Dave, you would have seen that I posted all I wanted for Christmas was a Firebox stove. So my beautiful wife purchased me one of those, and before I got to use it, I thought I'd better do an unboxing so that you can benefit in terms of what you get in the package. I'm just going to go to a beautiful little spot, so follow along with me as I unpack this amazing stove. So today we're going to be talking about the Firebox wood stove, an American made product. If you've been following my Instagram, as I might have said earlier, I was just so excited to get this for Christmas. So let's do a quick unboxing and just see exactly what we get inside the box. So a lovely sturdy box, pretty hefty. So we have a instruction. Stick that up there. We have a, I think they call it a TPS pouch. It comes with a plastic D-bolt. I guess that will allow you to holster it to your belt. Oh, now the stove itself. So the stove has come in this cotton bag. Look, I'll probably end up using that for storing the accessories. Boy, she's a pretty hefty unit. Beautiful stainless steel. The G2 comes with 4 fire sticks. The G1 only came with 2. So I think that's a good design idea to be able to take 4 of these sticks with you. And then the whole unit itself, it just unfolds. I mean, and then the stainless steel ashtray just pops off. How amazing is that? There's an internal grate that just flips down, and voila! Look, it's as solid as, and that's what I really like and was attracted to with regard to this Firebox. So no multiple parts trying to assemble it in the dark because you've got to your campsite late, or you know, it's really cold, so your hands are kind of cold. This just in one simple movement all flicks together into one complete solid unit. How good is that? So what else is in the box? That's it for now. So these are the 5 accessory plates. My wonderful wife bought the whole kit and caboodle, which was the standard kit, which is the stove, the ashtray, and the 4 fire sticks. And she's also purchased as a combo kit, these 5 accessories. So stainless steel, solid. This is an internal grate, so that sits down inside the stove itself. It would sit on top of a couple of fire sticks, and that will just allow you to sit on top of that a alcohol burner, coal briquettes, even wooden pallets. Yeah, so once again, a really good little design. So we have a boil plate. There's a T on all of these plates to tell you which is the top, and that should just fit in. This clips in there, really nice and solid. Of course, if you are assembling this, chances are this is going to be hot, and so you would use your fire sticks to maneuver the plates in place. So that'll allow my pot, in my case, to sit on the top of that. If you had a more narrow diameter canister, that would sit down inside, and that would just allow for it to have a more effective and efficient burn. So it also comes with the 5-inch grill plate. Once again, it has a T on the top, and once again that just should clip in position. And if you're getting really hungry and you want that really big steak, well, then you would get the stainless steel extended grate. So really solid, you know, that ain't going anywhere. So that's all there is in this combo kit. Just talking a little bit about the weight. So it's quite hefty. The standard stove, the ashtray and the 4 fire sticks, that comes in at around about 980 grams. And for the 5 accessory plates, they come in at around about another 440 grams. So in total, we've got sitting here around about 1400 or 1.4 kilograms. Look, I should also mention that my amazing wife also bought me this canvas pouch. So instead of using this one, Firebox have also produced this. And this comes with a couple of sleeves, one of which will take the stove and the other which will take the accessories inside the cotton. I think that's a really good natural look. Not that there's anything wrong with, I think it's called a TBS nylon bag. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the Firebox. I just love this design, it looks good. I'm going to enjoy the ambience that a fire will create. Combo kit alone is approximately at the moment $90 US. So yeah, but anything that is worthwhile is always going to cost a little bit more money. So that's it for me. Please click like and subscribe, and look, if you're new to this channel, I would surely appreciate if you could click subscribe and really encourage me to get my numbers up. So thank you so much. I'll catch you again on the next video, when most likely I'm going to be using the Firebox stove, which is made in America.